several times, okay, I caught Heidi Mendoza not being honest. Okay, Heidi Mendoza made a content with Shelo Magno na kumakain sila ng piatos. Tapos ang sinasabi niya doon, sabi niya, hindi kasi dapat yung liquidation yan, dapat automatic yan, dapat mabilis yan, ineme. And then, when she did live with Shelo Magno and SAS, ang sabi ni Heidi Mendoza, hindi kasi sa totoong buhay naman talaga, ang liquidation ng confidential fund, it will take time. It will take, hindi naman talaga yan mabilisan kasi marami talaga yung inaasikaso, ganyan-ganyan. So, bakit? Doon sa content mo na may piatos-piatos ka, na definitely it's a black propaganda against VP Inday Sara, sinasabi mo na dapat automatic yan. But if we're going to talk about the liquidation of Leila de Lima, and if you're going to discuss the same liquidation issue with other vloggers and political observers, iba yung sinasabi mo, Heidi Mendoza. So, yun ang problema ko kay Heidi Mendoza. And Heidi Mendoza has some issues because she was one of the key players kaya impeach si Renato Corona, si Justice Renato Corona because of her, iyak-iyak pa siya tungkol dun sa mga bank accounts ni Justice Corona, ganyan-ganyan. Apparently, there's really nothing very shady about it.